Yan, good morning. Good morning everyone. Hi, this is your Coach Benny. Salamat Coach Team. And thank you VNC sa pagbibigay po sa akin ng special topic na ito na I think ay tinugma para din sa akin. So, by the way, my name is before I start with my topic, unang-una, I want you guys to congratulate yourself because nandito tayong lahat sa BNC and we are blessed kasi ang daming learnings, no? So, by the way, ako si Benny Messina at ang aking topic ay napakaganda. Ito ay my path to self-improvement and how I became a better me. And lahat ng ito, ang topic na to ay talagang very applicable sa lahat. So are you willing guys to listen and learn from this very brief and very important topic yan ngayon para ngayong araw. So ang ganda nito kasi ito ay kwento ng isang Herbalife independent distributor by the name of Connie. So yan po muna ang aking result before ako ay isang mommy, isang housewife, taga-kain ng tira na kong anak. So ganyan ako tumaba, nagkaroon ako ng mga syempre yung mga pakiramdam na hindi nang wala sa tamang weight. Unang-una symptoms ng mga sakit sa kasukasuan, palaging gutom, mababa ang energy, and also may lahi kami ng diabetes and high blood. So talagang nararamdaman ko na noon yung mga signs na pwede kong ma-inherit from my parents, no? So ang ginawa ko, pinalitan ko yung almusal ko at saka yung merienda ko, no? So, consistently with sa tulong coach, no? And ang ganda po ng result ko. Ngayon, mas energetic ako and people say I look younger, I'm mas positive. Maganda po kasi ang connection ng kinakain sa attitude. When you eat healthy, you think healthy, you say healthy words. Ganun siya kaganda. And you are more loving, you are more patient, no? So, I lost a total of 5 inches and incredible 21 pounds. So, bakit ako, sabi kasi sa training, nakita ko din na noon, ang gusto ko lang talaga ay pumayat, pero nung nakita ko yung opportunity to help other people and to become a coach, sabi ko bakit hindi ako mag-attend ng training? Because yung mga training na to, yung magtuturo sa akin at magbibigay sa akin ng more confidence kung paano ko i-share sa ibang tao. Kasi kahit gaano kagaling ang isang tao, ang isang nag-aspire maging coach, pag walang training, pag wala pong event, pag walang community na katulad ng meron tayo sa Herbalife, hindi mo mamomold ang sarili mo, hindi mo mailalabas yung potential mo. Yun ang kahalagahan ng community. Yun ang kahalagahan ng training. Kaya kung nakita mo ngayon, sa VNC at sa live po ngayon, kung nakikita niyo po ngayon na ay gusto ko na maging coach kasi ang gaganda ng mga testimonials dito at may 50% pala. So gusto ko rin kumita, gusto ko rin mag-travel. So wag po kayong mawala sa event, always attend whatever situation you are in, always make yung event and trainings part of your life to become more, no? So ayan, ang nakita ko is 50%. Supervisor is one of the best level in the marketing plan kasi ano yan 50%. So you can pag 50% ka na, syempre supervisor buy one take one sa product, and also hindi mo natitipirin ang sarili mo dahil mas ma-achieve mo lalo yung gusto mong ideal shape, ideal weight, ideal skin, di ba? So why 50%? Kasi you can qualify to higher level ng training kapag supervisor ka na. Okay? And also kapag supervisor ka, pwede ka rin mag-qualify sa mga vacation. Yun ang kagandahan at advantage, no? And hindi ka na mapuputol o hindi ka na mapapastop. Unstoppable ka na to share it with other people. So bakit napakahalaga ng Virtual Nutrition Club itong community na to? Because dito sa community, maraming araw-araw bagong learnings. At yung confidence na kailangan mo kung paano ka mag-share sa ibang tao, kung wala ka pang masyadong magandang result ngayon dahil nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, gamitin mo yung mga testimonials na meron dito sa Nutrition Club. And it will help you and give you more confidence to share it with others. Yun ang kagandahan po. So, balik na ako sa ating topic, no? So, turning an unrealistic goal into something achievable. So, unang-una pa, teka po pala, bago ko makalimutan, 50%. Ito na rin yung, dahil sineryoso ko na yung aking business sa Herbalife, ito na yung nakakatulong magpaaral. Nakapag-graduate na kami sa college, may dalawa pang nag-school, lahat Herbalife talaga yung pinanggagalingan ng aming everyday life. Pambayad sa kuryente, pambayad sa wifi, everything, everyday, panggasolina. So I am so thankful and grateful to my sponsors and to Herbalife and to Mark Hughes because I am Herbalife. So, back to my topic. Sabi dyan, no, sometimes growth requires new mindsets, new habits, new people, and new locations. Guys, type 1 sa chat box if you are ready, no, ready to start with your new habits, your new mindsets, new people, and start, sabi nga dito, kailangan din natin ng new locations para naman mas may mabago sa atin, okay? So, and dyan, nababasa niyo po, ano, as a coach and a human like you, I believe that we all have our dreams and goals. And also as a coach, for me, caring and supporting each other's health is the most important. So lifting each other up and one hand after each other and healthy choices after the other makes a good start and balance. Diba? Napaka-importante po kasi ng balance dito sa ating ginagawa. So, kapag dito po sa atin, sa kwento ni Connie C, dito sa topic na to, na-meet niya yung isang Herbalife independent distributor at binigyan siya dito ng wellness profiling. So alam naman natin na kapag lumapit ka or nakakilala ka ng isang Herbalife member, binibigay sa iyo wellness evaluation. So sa wellness evaluation, bibigyan ka doon automatic ng personal nutrition and fitness plan, meal guide, no, ang ibibigay sa iyo. So nakikita nyo rin po dyan sa screen ko sa baba, lose weight with SMART goals. So dito sa Herbalife, sa ating sistema, tinuturo dito na you going to break your goals into smaller ones and put them into a timeline para achievable siya, no? Because we don't want anyone to be discouraged by setting an unrealistic goal in a short time frame. Kasi kung ano man yung ating shape ngayon at weight ngayon, yan ay accumulation ng mga past years na meron tayong ginanap noon. So kailangan natin ng patience and guidance ng ating coach. Di po ba? So dito, makikita nyo rin na sooner or later, you'll have this mindset naman din eh. Yung kapag nagkaroon ka ng magandang result, katulad namin, ng mga coaches na dito, mababago yung mindset mo. Magkakaroon ka ngayon ng mindset na helping more people through your own part-time. Pwede kang part-time or full-time business bilang isang Herbalife distributor or isang coach. So becoming a coach and helping other achieve results, for me, yan, at para sa ating lahat, alam nyo, very fulfilling yung ganong feeling. Very reward mo na yun sa sarili mo na nakatulong ka talaga sa maraming tao. So consistency across time, no? Consistency sa ating ginagawa ngayon, whether lose weight ka or ginagawa mo yung business ng Herbalife, equals result. So dito, ang aking goal for me, ang aking goal na nakita ko po dito is I would like to help 100 more people transform their lives through good nutrition and magkaroon din ng regular exercise. That's my goal for my business. So let's proceed po sa ating next slide. So hahawahan ko kayo sa aking goal. Persistence, perseverance, and continuous improvement are the ingredients for forming. According to my favorite author and motivator, si Jim Rohn po, sabi niya dito, you must take personal responsibility. You cannot change the circumstances, the seasons, or the wind, but you can change yourself. That is something you have charge of. So hindi mo naman mapipigilan talaga kung ano yung dumarating minsan na challenges sa buhay mo. All you have to do is to be brave enough to face all the challenges you are facing right now, you have right now. And then pray, and then malaki ang connection ng kinakain ng araw-araw because yung magandang nutrition, magandang energy ang ibibigay niyan sa iyo at magandang mindset, magandang pakiramdam. And with the help of your prayers, with the community and the products, you'll be able to surpass all your challenges and you'll become more successful. Kasi yung success naman is nagdidepende yan sa iyo. Anong klase o anong level ng success ka meron in mind. Lahat naman tayo successful in our own level, di ba? In our own situation. So yeah, that is kung nasa iyo yung mindset ng you are blessed and be thankful and focus sa iyong goal. Okay, so next please. And be grateful. Sabi ko nga ako, personally, I'm grateful for where I'm at and I'm excited about where I'm going. No? So everything is hard before it is easy. Tama po ba? So, ayan po, isa yan sa mga talagang na-realize ko, nakita ko talaga sa aking Herbalife journey, attending trainings and nakita mo yung mga tao na lalong yung mga successful sa stage, kuhanin mo lang talaga yung energy nila at kung paano nila ginagawa itong Herbalife, kung paano nila nasa-surpass lahat ng challenges. Grabe po, masaya ka na, successful ka pa, and marami ka pang natutulungan. The rewards of stepping out of my comfort zone. That is why I try my best to offer grace and forgiveness sa lahat ng mga tao na hindi pa man humihingi ng forgiveness, ibigay mo na. Yan, ikaw rin kasi ang mag-benefit ng forgiveness na yan na hindi mo pa naibigay at yung grace. Go out and explore outside of your comfort zone, people, without violating your own boundaries, like treating others with kindness, but not tolerating disrespect. Because what do you have in life? What you have is what you tolerate. Tama? Do you agree? So, yun po. Kung ano yung meron ka ngayon is those are what you tolerate in life. Okay, so next, please. And believing in myself and what I can achieve. So always believe that you can achieve anything that you want. It is really mindset. Always believe that you have, guys, you have superpowers. We have superpowers. When we sway too heavily on one side or the other, life becomes imbalanced, right? So we become misaligned with our truest selves. So always put balance. Always talk to a good friend kung medyo kailangan mo ng makakausap or ng positive words or mga advices, no? Because pero lagi mong tatandaan, your success comes from your center, no? Your success comes from your center. Find balance in everything you do. There is a must because balance keeps it on consistent goals, plans, and kahit ano pa. Always needs balance. Lahat ng ginagawa natin needs balance. Relationship with our children, with our family, with your marriage, with your mentors, relationship with your members, with your organization. No? Balance talaga. Always, kahit sa pagkain, kailangan din natin ng balance. Always, because this will be the discipline and can be the help we need and deserve. Yan ang deserve natin eh. Kasi kapag na-apply natin, nababalance natin everything, nadi-deserve na natin yung lahat ng ginugusto natin, makakamta natin. Diba? So, always find balance. So, next please. So, because of the audio, yung mga pinapakinggan ko po ng mga audio recording, audio video po ni Mark Hughes, ang ating founder, and also ni Jim Rohn, dyan po talaga ako personally nag-grow, no? Habang may ginagawa, kasi syempre mami ka or businesswoman ka, may ginagawa ka o nag-work ka, while working, you can put po yung headset and then pakinggan mo lang yung mga personal development na meron tayo sa YouTube online. And pakinggan mo every day for you to grow. Personally, spiritually, kasama na yan, lalo na kay Jim Rohn and Mark Hughes, and sa business ng Herbalife. Focus ka sa business ng Herbalife and we will all get on there at the top. So next, please. So because part po talaga ng personal development natin yung pagpapakain natin sa cells natin ng good nutrition. So we have all these products, no, inner nutrition and outer nutrition for us to really transform, no, for us to really for you to become better every day, no. So always remember that pinakita kanina, Herbalife is the #1 in the world. Yung 3 selyo na yan, napatunayan niya. At tayo maging proud tayo that we are Herbalife. Now that we maging proud tayo pag lalabas tayo na ipakilala lahat ng products, ipakita mo result ng ibang tao. Ako, I'm always proud that I am Herbalife. So next, please. So, ayan, thank you for giving me this chance po na talagang ma-share itong napakagandang topic na to. And salamat po BNC team and Mother Eileen and to all my mentors and co-coaches here. Thank you so much. Back to you, Coach Tin Herrera.